Good morning, everyone. We are here to present our bio board about Dr. Jose Rizal. So, first, I would like to introduce Jose Protasio Mercado Rizal Y. Alonso Rielaga. So, as we all know, Dr. Jose Rizal. So, Dr. Jose Rizal was born on June 19, 1861 in the lakeshore town of Calamba, Laguna. So, the story behind of Dr. Jose Rizal's birth, the reasons Dr. Jose Rizal has big head and its make her mother almost died during his birth. So, after 3 days, Dr. Jose Rizal was baptized in the Catholic Church of Calamba, Laguna on June 22, 1861 by Father Rufino Colantes. So, he was named Jose in honor of Saint Joseph, patron saint of laborer and soldier. So, he has a second first name, Protasio, named after the fourth saint who was Bishop Milan.
Rizal's parents, Rizal's father was his father, Francisco Mercado Rizal, an industrious farmer whom Rizal called a model of fathers. He came from Binyan, Laguna. Rizal's father studied Latin and philosophy at the College of San Jose in Manila. After his parents died, he moved to Calamba and became a tenant farmer of the Dominican-owned hacienda. Her mother, Teodora Alonso Quintos Alonda, was born in Santa Cruz, Manila. She was educated at the College of Santa Rosa, a well-known college for girls in the city. She was a remarkable woman possessing intelligence, refined culture, literary talent, and business ability. Dr. Jose Rizal has 11 siblings, which are 2 boys and 9 girls. Firstborn sibling is Saturnino Rizal, second is Bastiano Rizal, Narcisa Rizal, Olympia Rizal, Lucia Rizal, Maria Rizal, Jose Rizal, Concepcion Rizal, Josefa Rizal, Trinidad Rizal, and the youngest is Soledad Rizal. Jose Rizal is the 7th child of Francisco and Chadora.
Home of Jose Rizal, or the house of family Rizal, where he was born, was one of the stone houses in Calamba during the Spanish times. It was a 2-story building, rectangular in shape, built of the adobe stones and hardwood and roof with red tiles. Behind the house was a poultry yard full of turkeys and chickens, in a big garden of tropical fruit trees, atis, balimbing, chico, macopa, papaya, santolan, etc. Jose Rizal's early education at the age of 3, Rizal was first taught by his mother. At this stage, he demonstrated superior intelligence, which induced his parents to hire tutors for him. Maestro Celestino Rizal, Rizal's first private tutor, and Maestro Lucas Padua, Rizal's second tutor.
Layan mo a former classmate of Rizal, father became Rizal, doctor the traduce Jose in Spanish and Latin. On June 1869, Rizal left Calamba, Binyan, accompanied by Bastiano, Maestro Lion Mungay, a former classmate of Rizal father, became Rizal daughter that instructed Jose in Spanish. On June 1869, Rizal left Calamba of Binyan, accompanied by Bastiano, Maestro Lascano Aquino Cruz, was Rizal teacher in a private school, Binyan. Jose was 9 years old at that time. Rizal described him as a tall, then long man with a body slightly bent forward. Jose began outstanding student, surpassing his classmate in Spanish, Latin, and other subjects. At the end of his schooling maestro, Jasdano recommended that Jose should be sent to Manila on December 17, 1870. Rizal left Viana after 1 year and a half of schooling. Rizal is skilled in science, arts, and literature. Rizal is known in the two novel Noli Me Tangere, 1887, and El Filibusterismo, 1891, exposed the mistreatment of Filipinos during Spanish colonial period. His works becoming influential in the Philippine Revolution opposed to Spanish. He has numerous essays in the poems. One of his most poems, Mi Ultimo Odios, My Last Farewell, was written before a phase of expiration by Firmus God.
So, here's the places where Rizal traveled.
First travel of Rome, 1887. After finishing his medical course in the University of Santo Tomas, Jose Rizal then decided to go to Spain mainly for 2 reasons: to finish his medical specialization, to do his secret mission in preparation for his flight in the Philippines. Second is Philippines to Singapore, May 3, 11, 1880. He boarded the ship Salvador bound for Singapore. Donato Leccia, captain of the ship, defined Jose as her lieutenant. He arrived in Singapore on May 9, 1880. Singapore sailed May 11 to 17, 1880. Then Naya reached Point Galle, a seaport town in southern Ceylon. He defined Point Galle as a picturesque but lonely town. He then went to Colombo to get references in learning the French language.
Ceylon to Italy, May 17 to June 11, 1880. He was amused when the first time he saw camels in Ireland. They traveled in Suez Canal, a route from Asia to Europe, then docked in Port Said. Italy to France, June 11 to June 12, 1880. Gemna then docked at the port in the city of Marseilles. Experiences in Madrid. Jose pursued his medical course and finished also the course which was decided by his father. Jose's only vice was lottery, every lottery in Madrid. First visit in Paris, 1883. He visited Paris during their summer vacation in Madrid. According to Rizal, everything in Paris was so expensive that he called Paris as the costliest city in the world. Germany. He then became friends with Friedrich Ratzel and Hans Mayer, who were historians. He then translated different German and Swiss literary works and was sent to the Philippines. Rizal in England. Jose arrived in England on May 1888. He chose England as his new home to improve his English language, to study Antonio Morga's success, the Las Berlinas, and knowing England was the safest place against the Spanish. He was even condemned by the senators of Spanish Cortes Salamanca, Vida Retana, and Casti in the Spanish newspaper. Return in London. Jose celebrated Christmas Day alone in London. His landlady gave Jose a book about magic, knowing he was fascinated with magic. And for the last part, we have
house and finished literary work, it is sad